You can generate thousands of sales on Amazon PPC without targeting any keywords or any products. Even it's not an auto campaign. Yeah, I am talking about the Amazon category targeting campaigns. By using this campaign, I have made over 200k revenue over the last few months, all with above 5 ROAS. This category targeting campaign is not new to Amazon. But still, many sellers don't use this because they think it's like an auto campaign and they have less control over this. But following my strategy, you will be able to generate thousands of sales with above 5 or 6 ROAS every day. So without any ado, let's start today's video. So let me first tell you what is this category targeting campaign and how it works. If I go to amazon.com, now let's search with a keyword work boots for men. If I open any product from here, so normally in keyword targeting campaigns, we target specific keywords, and for the product targeting campaigns, we target some specific competitor's product, right? But for the category targeting campaigns, we do not target any keywords or any specific product. Let's say this is my product. So if you look at the browsing node of this product, you can see my product is listed under the industrial and construction boots category. So what will happen in the category targeting campaign? I will target all the listed products under this category. So let me show you how you can create this campaign. If I go to the campaign manager and let's click on create campaign. So from this tab, we need to select the sponsored product. Let's click on create campaign. And here we just need to set up an ad group name. Let's say sample one. So from here, we can select the sites. One is Amazon and Beyond, and another one is Amazon Business. For the Amazon and Beyond, it will work for both on Amazon and off Amazon. And for the Amazon Business, it will mostly works for the Amazon B2B strategy. So let's select just for now Amazon and Beyond, and then let me just add some products from here. Now from the targeting sections, we will select the manual targeting. And here under the manual targeting, we will select the product targeting, but ultimately we will not target any specific product. Let me show you. You can see under the product targeting, there are two options. One is categories, another one is individual product. We will target the categories. So now you can see from here, Amazon is suggesting us the main category where our product is listed, like the men's industrial and construction boots. So here you can see under this category, there are around 34,000 to over 56,000 products listed. So if we target this means my product will target automatically these over 50,000 products. Anyway, I will refine some strategy here. For example, I will not directly hit the add button, but I will refine my target. So if I click on refine, so from here I will create multiple campaigns using different strategy. So my first strategy will be, as my product price is let's say $56, I will target all the products that have at least $60 price. So let's put $60 at the minimum price range. And I can click on add. You can see I have targeted all the products that have at least $60 price range, and here the number of product is over 28,000. Now I will again refine another strategy. I'll put the price range minimum $60 and I will target the products that have less reviews, like let's say 0 to 3 star reviews. I will target those. And then the shipping eligibilities, I will target all the FBM products like non-prime eligible. So that this means like my product has over 4.5 or sometimes 5-star rating, and also my product is prime eligible. So I will target those are having lower star review ratings, and also those don't have any prime eligibility. So I can add them again. You can see there are almost 1,000 products that have less than 3-star review ratings, and also their product is not prime eligible. Now I will again hit on the refine option, and this time I will target some specific brands. For example, I will target this one and this one. So if I click on add now, you can see I have targeted separately this brand and this brand. So they have around 3000 products and they have around 154 models. So I will target those brands specifically. So you can see I have showed all possible strategy you can apply for the category campaigns. So now you can see you can apply multiple strategy just from a refine options. And the best strategy will be you should put this strategy in different campaigns. So it will be easier to track and monitor the performance. Anyway, after applying this target, simply you just need to set up the bidding strategy like up and down or down only. For me, I will put down only, and then you can put the bid adjustments. Let's skip this initially, and then I need to select the campaign name, put the daily budget, and finally I need to hit on the launch campaign. So now let me show you how was my category campaigns performance. If you look at my screen, you can see that I have created so far total 7 campaigns, and there I spent over the last few months around 37,000, and I got more than 2000 units from sales, which is like over 200k with only 17% echoes. And the best thing is that the CPC of these campaigns are lower compared to any other keyword targeting or product targeting campaigns. So finally, now you can see that it's not just an auto campaign. You can apply too many different strategy into a category campaigns and make the best output. However, if you also want to test these types of strategies for your advertising account, simply email us at info@ecomclips.com. You can visit our website www.ecomclips.com and review all our important blogs. For your information, we provide free 7 days trial and free advertising audit for any account. So don't miss that. Please reach out to us and schedule a free consultation call. See you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.